and 400 rev. So do I get that bonus, yung 50 euro?
So if you made it this month, yes.
Yeah.
This month of June.
Yeah.
From June 12, ate, from June 12 to now.
From June 12
to now.
yun bang effectivity June 12 and up?
Yeah, I think
But
so.
if
oh, sorry,
kung
sorry.
pearl ako before June 12, hindi yun hindi yun kasali.
Maybe not, but you still have the whole month until September to catch up with everything that you let's say like pearl ka, and then now you're gonna go to a sapphire or ruby. You still have chance because we have until this thing here is only until end of the month. Pero yung super bonus naman para it's the whole month until September.
This one is until end of the month lang.
Yeah.
Ito,
Yung isa naman you have time until September.
Let's say kasi this is group production, right, Lori?
Yes.
And let's say nag-order na at nagbayad na within the last week of this month.
Yeah.
Considered na ba yon?
Yes po.
Yeah, basta they put the order and they pay before in
before
the month.
The end of the month.
Yes.
Pwedeng
kasama po yung before June 12 na rev.
Before June. Yeah, basta bayaran niya yun. Basta bayaran. I-pay.
Oo.
Kung considered ba yun mga rev mo before June 12?
Oo naman.
Yes.
Yes.
Kasi wala
Kasali pa rin doon.
Kasi wala namang flush out, di ba?
Correct.
So, meaning to say, I already have that. Kasi Pearl and I have beyond 400 rev.
Yeah.
Habulin mo yung next, ma'am.
Baka ruby ka na, Mrs. Black, before the end of the month.
Sagarin mo na para 100.
Yeah, so ito naman we have time to do. That was the other one is until end of the month. Ito naman for the whole until September.
Ito up to September.
So can you imagine that? Let's say na-miss mo ang diamond, meron ka 100,000. That's one. Let me see, 100. This is almost. Let me see para maintindihan niyo. Ang 100 dito is $2,200 extra. Ngayon, pag nag-blue diamond ka, is 200 dito circle, 200 times 22. Mga 4,400 ito, dollars extra. Pag nag-green diamond ka, that's 400 circle. 400. Kasi ito na, okay, ating fast start bonus actually, only until blue diamond. So, ang mga tao na tulad ni Ate Phoebe, sila ni Lani, sila ni Lai, na nagiging blue diamond na sila, now they can go to green diamond. So, green diamond, so itong 400 times 22, now, like let's say, Ate Phoebe magiging green diamond. So, she'll get extra of $8,800 as a fast start bonus. Kung nag-green diamond ka, that's 1,800 times 22. That's 39,600, almost 2 million. Purple diamond. Wow.
Yeah, grabe.
And then you go 1,000 mag-red diamond. Guys, if you can do red diamond by that's another. Okay, I'm gonna put total the red diamond. If you're gonna make it to
you're multiplying it by what, Lori? Let's say
22.
Times 22?
Yeah, because the T-circle is $22 ang worth ng ating stocks. Can you imagine that I'm gonna plus 800 plus 1,800. So,
Pero ma'am, dito.
Go ahead.
Bakit parang ano itong zone A, zone B?
Kasi ang zone A is kami sa US, ang zone B ibang country.
Okay.
Kayo, sa zone C kayo. So,
oo, wala ditong zone C, ma'am.
Hindi dito may zone C, andyan, no?
Yan, nakalinya, ma'am.
Kalinya. So, can you imagine that, okay, sa TPB right now is blue diamond, tapos na sila. So this TBB is very close to green diamond and then purple, and then if she make it to example, if she make it to red diamond example lang ha, by September, it could happen, right? So ang total na DC circle is $3,000. Ang 3,000 times mo sa 22. That's $66,000. That means if somebody work hard to become red diamond by September, ang rank bonus mo lang na bibigay sa iyo ng company is 3.6 million, 3.5 million peso extra lang.
Ranking pa lang
Plus,
yan.
ranking pa lang yan. Plus you're gonna get your team bonus, your matching bonus, lahat ng bonuses makukuha mo pa. This is crazy, right? Crazy.
Imposible talaga na hindi magyaman, ma'am. Grabe, no?
Ito naman masasabi ko. Sa business that we are in, napaka-generous ng company kasi hindi lang stocks ng shares ng user, kundi stock ng buong company binibigay sa atin. Kaya hindi ka na pwede makahanap ng ibang company tulad ito. I'm telling you guys. Kahit ako mismo,
Kaya
can you imagine that if even you just become purple diamond, you can earn already more than 2 million. Just if you do, some company na if you work hard for 2 to 3 months, you can earn more than 3 million just in rank bonus. Well, alam mo mga tao sa Pilipinas, kakaranda pa na sa kakatitinda, hindi ka not even make $1 million. Ito, 2 to 3 months, you can make more than almost 4 million. 4 million in 4 months. Rank lang.
Sa rank pa
Sa
lang.
bonuses. Nakikita nyo? Grabe. So, you guys have any question bago tayo
Bigyan kita mamaya, ma'am, ng rank. Hindi daw niya nakuha yung rank. Naka-screenshot ako, ma'am. Bigyan kita mamaya.
Okay. So we're gonna stop share. So clear na tayo doon sa sa bonuses. Are we clear? Rank
Yes,
bonus?
that yung super rank, yung parang hanggang September at saka end of the month.
Oo. Ito lang masasabi ko ha. What is 2 to 3 months of working hard from now on? June, July, August, September, right? So almost 3.5 months. What is 3.5 months of hard work if you can make 4 million peso? Extra.
Yes. Ay, makaloka.
Is that worth working for?
Yes, more than worth.
Insomnia talaga yan, Ma'am Lori.
Maka-insomnia.
Yeah. At saka can you imagine that when you reach that position, Red Diamond, you are shareholder of the company for life.
For life, my goodness.
Sige, ma'am. Gawin ko ka talaga.
Kaya kasi sabi ko palagi sa mga tao, total naman, you'll be doing business already all this time, right? You spend too much time, 3 years, 4 years, other company na walang patunguhan. Here, I challenge you, work hard for 3 to 4 months, make millions, 4 millions plus stockholders of your life. Can you imagine that? Can you afford to spend 3 to 4 months working hard to become financially free for the rest of your life? Crazy.
Yeah.
Kami na lang. Gawin na lang namin yung ginagawa mo, ma'am. Ay, naku.
That's right.
Yes. Follow.
Kasi alam nyo, everything in life is about, focus. At saka timing. Kasi, alam ko maraming mga Pilipino mahilig sa, sige, pasok ko dito, pasok. It's not gonna work, I'm telling you. It's not gonna work. Can you imagine that we have the biggest market in the world? We are the technology. We own our own technology. Number 1 artificial intelligence in the world. We own our crypto exchange. We own our banking system. We own our own social media platform. Everything, the biggest market in the world, andito na sa atin. Bakit ka makipag-negotiate sa mga pipitsugin ng mga company para nilo-lower down mo ang value ng company mo? Pasok ka dito. I don't do that. Kahit nabibigyan pa ako ng offer ng mga ibang CEO, binibigyan ako ng offer. Lori, no, it's okay if you're doing another company, you can market my company, I can still give you a shot. I wouldn't even do it. Kasi alam ko hindi ako makapag-perform, I cannot perform it. Kasi pag hindi ko na malalagay ang aking sarili sa isang company na I cannot put 100%, I don't wanna do it. I don't wanna put my name on it. Kaya I do not negotiate with people.